Winona on this beautiful Valentine's Day. Me and Christian came up to see some trains. Got my pretty Canadian Pacific car movers. There's Christian recording. Hey, better get over here, Christian. Oh, look at here. Wow, look at there. Oh, he's going fast. Look at this. Tankers. Look at all the tankers. Christian, do you think this is the train that we saw earlier? It is? So we already saw this before we left La Crosse, I think. We never saw the front, so unsure. Wow, cool. Look at all them tankers. If it is the same one, we saw it by that rock quarry where all the dump trucks go by the mall there. It could be. Kinda looks like it. That's a lot of tankers. Hope all of our other train friends are having some good catches on trains today. All over the place. I like that. Is it the same train? Yes, it is. That's so funny. Oh. Yes, it is. It's got a box, something on the end. So I have the video of this already from a while ago. Today. Yep, there it is. And that. That's pretty cool. Awesome.